What I'm going to show you today is a gorgeous 67 notchback Mustang. If you'd like to follow me this way, you can see this car is painted in beautiful Rangoon red. It comes on American style racing mags, 5-spoke rims. If you look down the lines of the car, you can see it's absolutely gorgeous. All the chrome on this car is in perfect condition. Glass, it really is something to behold. If you follow me around to the back now, okay, as we can see now looking at the rear end of this 67 notchback, and as you can see it's the iconic classic lines of the 67 Mustang. This particular 67, as well as the obviously the 67 3 rear brake lights, it's got a chrome surround around the boot lid and around there. That's like an extra trim. They didn't all have that, these cars, but this one has got that. Twin chrome tailpipes, obviously, and lovely chrome bumper, which is all in top-notch condition. So all in all, this is a lovely car. Okay, and what we've got here is a stroked V02 engine, which is stroked to 347 cubic inches. We've got aluminium AFR 180cc heads, which, as I said earlier, take this car up to about 400 horsepower, probably a little bit more. We'll see what the dyno sheet says, but I think we're up in the 400 horsepower range. We've got an MSD ignition system, an aftermarket distributor. We've also got ceramic coated headers, which again is a great upgrade on this engine. On the braking side of it, we've got a complete wheelwood system in it. It's 4-wheel disc brakes all round, so the braking is quite phenomenal on this car. And also, to keep the engine cool, we've got this aluminium rad on here, which helps to keep it cool. Obviously with 400 plus horsepower you're going to need that, so even in the hottest day it'll keep it cool. Okay, we're inside this 67 Mustang now, and as you can see, the interior is as near as you could describe as perfect for a car like this. We've got the dash top, it's completely perfect condition, there's no cracks or anything like that in it, it's lovely. The gauges have been upgraded. We've got an aftermarket rev counter in the middle here, but it still retains the classic Mustang look of the gauges. Also, we have a 5-speed Tremec world-class transmission in this thing, which is again a massive upgrade on this car. You can really use the performance of this engine with this gearbox. It's an excellent addition to this car. Also, we've got the wood grain, the classic look wood grain wheel of a GT350 Mustang. That's a nice piece to have in here. The seats, as you can see, they're not the original. I don't know if you can see that from here, but I'll give you a close-up of them in a minute. They are upgraded Pro Car seats, and they come with like race type lap belts, which again is a great upgrade for this car.